Bryce Drummond, the son of the famous Food Network star Ree Drummond, known as the Pioneer Woman, is currently making headlines with important developments involving his legal issues and college football career. If you've been wondering what's new with Bryce Drummond, here's an up-to-date look into his situation, family life, and his status as a student-athlete at Oklahoma State University, OSU. Legal battle over driving license revocation. One of the biggest recent stories concerning Bryce Drummond centers on a court ruling about the revocation of his driver's license. This stems from an incident in May 2024, where Drummond was stopped by Stillwater police near his home amid a disturbance call. The officer noticed Drummond in a parked truck showing signs of possible impairment. Although the misdemeanor charge of driving under influence was later dismissed by a judge citing a lack of probable cause, Drummond's license was still suspended in a civil procedure by Service Oklahoma for 180 days, starting with restrictions like mandatory alcohol breath interlock devices on his vehicle. Bryce and his lawyer challenged the suspension, arguing issues with the officer's authority and reasonable suspicion. However, on August 1, 2025, the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals upheld the license revocation, confirming the district court's ruling was appropriate. Despite this setback, Drummond's attorney plans to take the case to the Oklahoma Supreme Court to continue appealing the decision. While this legal battle unfolds, Drummond was cited for driving with a revoked license in Osage County, but that charge was dismissed due to his ongoing appeal, adding further complexity to the case. Football and injury update. Bryce Drummond is not just in the news for legal reasons, he is also known for his athletic career. Born on September 17, 2002, Drummond has played as a tight end for the Oklahoma State Cowboys football team. Last summer, he underwent back surgery following an injury sustained during football practice or play, as revealed by his mother, Ree Drummond, on her blog. Despite this setback, he is listed as a candidate for graduation from OSU by spring 2025, highlighting his commitment to both academics and athletics. For sports fans and supporters of the Drummond family, Bryce's perseverance through injury and legal challenges underscores the resilience often seen in young athletes balancing sports and personal hurdles. Family ties and public persona. Bryce Drummond is one of 5 children of Ree Drummond and her husband Ladd Drummond. Ree Drummond's fame as the Pioneer Woman, a popular chef, author, and television personality, has brought added attention to her family, including Bryce. While Ree is beloved by many for her cooking show and ranch lifestyle, her children's lives often spark interest, especially amidst personal challenges like Bryce's. Aside from Bryce, the family includes older siblings Alex, who is married and starting a family, Paige, recently married in a lovely Oklahoma ranch wedding, Todd, and a foster son Jamar. Ree often shares moments from her family life that show a close-knit, supportive dynamic despite public scrutiny. Bryce himself has a social media presence, describing himself on Instagram as an Oklahoma State alum, Christ follower, 5th-gen rancher, former ball player, which reflects both his roots and personal values. What's next for Bryce Drummond? The critical next step in Bryce Drummond's story will be the outcome of the appeal to the Oklahoma Supreme Court concerning his driver's license revocation. How the court rules could have lasting implications on his driving privileges. Meanwhile, given his athletic background and ongoing education, many will be keeping an eye on whether he continues with football or focuses on graduating and other pursuits. In the meantime, fans of the Drummond family and followers of football will want to watch for updates on his recovery from his back surgery and his legal case. These personal and public developments highlight the challenges and complexities young public figures face today. This mix of legal, athletic, and family stories keeps Bryce Drummond at the center of recent trending conversations online, ensuring that his journey remains captivating for those interested in the Pioneer Woman's extended family and contemporary sports news.